I'll show you how you can earn between $10 to $20 as an email operator. Did you know that you can get paid just by sending emails? Yes. Now, this is not a Ponzi scheme and it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. These are real companies hiring real people to work for them. So you can actually earn passive income working as an email operator. In this video, I'm going to be revealing to you 3 legitimate companies currently hiring. On these platforms, you can work as an email specialist. You can work as an email operator. You can also work as a customer service support. And the good part of these companies is that even if you don't have experience, you can still get on board because they have a platform where you can get trained on the job. So while you're still working, you can be learning. So you don't need to have a degree. Even if you do not have a degree or any form of certification, you can still get trained on these platforms. These jobs offer flexibility of times. So you can decide when you want to work, how many hours a day you want to work. And you can work from any part of the world because they are hiring globally. And depending on the number of hours you work in a day, you can earn between $100 to $200 in a day. So it's something you would love to try. If you're looking for a way to earn extra income online, you need to watch this video to the end to be able to know these companies and try them out. You are welcome to my channel. If it is your first time seeing this channel, my name is Stacy, and on this channel I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online platforms. So if you love this type of content, all you need to do is to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. If you already have a job or a business, or you have something else you're doing during the day, you're a stay-at-home mom and you're looking for a job online that can give you flexibility of time without compromising your daily commitments, then Mailer Lite is a company for you. So the first company I'll be talking about is Mailer Lite. Mailer Lite is a remote company that hire people globally to work for them. On this platform, you can work as an email specialist. You can work as a customer service support. A job role will be sending emails, replying emails, and handling customer complaints. And on this platform, you can choose your schedule. You can choose number of hours you want to work a day. So if you have a job that takes your time, that takes your morning hours and afternoon hours, you can decide to work during evening hours or night hours on this platform, and it's totally okay. And you can choose number of hours you want to work a day. You can choose to work 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours in a day. Mailer Lite offers that flexibility. So to get started, all you need to do is to go to mailerlite.com. When you come to mailerlite.com, you see an interface like this. So this is what the platform looks like. So to get hired, you go to their career page. You see mailerlite.com/job. So this is where you come to apply, to sign up and start working with them. As you can see what is written here, work at Mailer Lite. We are a global remote company that put people first. You work from wherever, you work from where you want and have the work-life balance of your dream, or the support of a passionate team who wants to see you thrive. So this platform offers you that flexibility to work from the comfort of your home, from your office, from anywhere. And it also offers you flexibility of time. You can actually choose the time that you want to work. So it's a good way to earn passive income online without compromising your daily commitment. Maybe you have a job already and you don't want to leave your job, but yet you still want an extra income online. This is a platform you need to try. So to get started, head over to mailerlite.com/job and you'll see a platform like this. You'll see their different positions that is available for you, and you can also read up their processes, the benefit of working with them, and the rest of things that you need to know about this company on this platform. So here you can earn between $10 to $12 per hour working as an email support assistant, working as an email operator, customer service support, and your job role is practically to respond to emails and write emails. The second company is similar to the first one. It's called Insub. Insub is a company that manage other companies' email-related issues. So they are hiring remote workers who can work as an email assistant. So on this platform, your job role will be to send emails, respond to emails, manage inboxes, respond to customer complaints, and so much more. Everything relating to email, that's what you'll be doing on this platform. So they're hiring globally, wherever you are in the world, whether you are in Nigeria, you are in India, wherever, whichever country where you are, you can get on board on this job. One good thing about this platform is that even if you do not have experience, they can still hire you because so far you are willing to learn. They are also willing to train you on the job. So you don't have experience is not an excuse to get on board on this platform. They can train you on the job. While you're doing the job, you are learning and you get better. And they pay per hour as well. You can earn between $10 to $20 per hour. So depending on how many hours you work in a day, that determines how much you can make a day. It also offers flexibility of time. You can choose to work during morning hour, afternoon hours, or evening hours without compromising your current job or your current business. So you have the flexibility of time to choose your schedule and your time frame. To get started on this platform, all you need to do is to head over to their website, inshop.com, either on your phone browser or your laptop. So once you enter inshop.com, you will see a platform like this. As you can see, work from wherever feels like home. This means that you can work from your home, anywhere that feels like home. You can actually work from there. So the next thing to do is to go to where it says career. You click on career and you scroll down, you see several opportunities given. As you can see, this platform, this company is on 6 continents, 40 countries, and they have more than 60 plus staff already. So you can actually get on board on this platform to work for them. One special thing about this platform is that you can work as full-time or part-time. You can work for full-time or part-time, and you get paid depending on which you choose. And there are other benefits of working for this platform. They offer 28 to 35 paid days leave a year, plus 3 months when you hit 10 years. So there are a lot of benefits attached to working for Insub. So Insub is a company that offers remote job for whoever that is willing to work as an email specialist. And this is a remote job. You can sit at the comfort of your home and do this job, and you can choose number of hours you want to work in a day. You choose to work an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours in a day. That determines how much you can earn. I mean, there's no pressure at all. You're working at your convenience, at your pace. So Insub is a remote company hiring remote workers. So you can actually try them out. You can actually do this job using your phone. If you don't have a laptop, your phone can do it. Go to your phone browser and search for insub.com and sign up and follow all the prompts that will come up. The third one is also similar to the first, the second, and it is called Quick Mail. Quick Mail is a remote company offering job opportunity for those who want to work from home as customer service support or as an email specialist. They are hiring globally. Wherever you are in the world, you can apply on Quick Mail. Your job role on Quick Mail will be to respond to emails, send out emails, manage inboxes. So you're practically going to be working as an email specialist, and One good thing about quick mail is that if you don't have experience, there's a platform where you can follow and you get trained. As you get better, you start earning higher. Just like the first and the second, the pay is similar to the first and second. You can earn between $10 to $20 per hour, depending on the type of project you're handling. And you can choose the time frame, number of hours you want to work in a day. You can choose to work in the morning hours or in the afternoon hours or during night hours. So it's totally left for you to decide how you want to work. Trust me, these are legit companies hiring remote workers and the pay is awesome. It's something you can do without compromising your current job or your current business. As a stay-at-home mom, as a student, you can do these jobs. To get started on QuickMail, head over to quickmail.com. You sign up, follow the prompts, and when you get hired, you can start working immediately. It's that simple. All right. So these are legitimate companies hiring people to work for them globally. It doesn't matter the country where you are, you can get on board. All right. That will be all for this video. Let me know in the comment section which of these platforms you are going to be trying, or if you have tried any of these platforms. And also let me know where you're watching from. All right. So till I see you again in my next video, thank you for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will see you again in my next video.